So today we'll see how to add two numbers in Python. So let's take a number a is equals to 10 and another number b is equals to 20. So the value 10, which is an integer, we are going to save in a variable a, and the value 20, which is another integer value, which is going to save in variable b. So if we want to add these two, simply we are going to use an operator called plus operator. So plus operator is used to add two numbers. Is used to add two numbers. So just we are going to print a plus b. So a value 10 plus b value 20. So a plus b is nothing but 30. So we'll just run the file. So for running the file, I will be using an option known as a run. So if we run the file, the output will be replaced over here. So see, let me run the file. So I'm going to get value 30. If you want to add any theoretical stuff before printing only the output, you can use a function concept. So the result is, so just I'm going to write a plus b. So we can add some kind of theoretical part, whatever we want in front of the output. Let me run it. See, the result is 30. Simple. This is how we are going to add two numbers in Python.